Hi, this is the homepage to my Canvas course. I have my homepage set up as the syllabus so that my students can use this Jump to Today feature, which I think is really handy for so many students. So the way my students can navigate through the course is from my homepage. So on my homepage, I have an explanation of the things that they will be learning, along with buttons that take them directly to each of these unit landing pages. I have my contact information as well as a link to an online calculator and our math program, iReady. The way my students can navigate through the course is they can click on modules. When they click on modules, it will open, they can open each of these landing pages. So this example is the guided notes. If they were to click on any one of these guided notes, it will take them to a page that has video explanations of that concept. In the assignments tab, I just have a list of assignments, and my assignments are structured in several ways. So some of them are structured to be Canvas quizzes. So if they were to take this assignment, it would look very similar to just a Canvas quiz. Another way that I have done assignments is through links to outside programs. So for example, I have this one that links them to quizzes. So it opens up the quizzes. They enter the game code that's given on this assignment instruction page, and then they type in their name. They complete that game as one of their assignments. Many of my students enjoy that structure of assignment because it makes it feel a little bit more fun for them. My students can navigate through my Canvas page through the links on the left-hand side. They can click on modules, they can click on grades, or they can get to all of those things from these buttons on my homepage. So if they were to click through, they can find those things that they're looking for, as well as I find that many of my students use the Jump to Today feature to navigate to that thing that they need to do on that specific day. So that is my Canvas course that I have created.